Guys, welcome back to my channel. So today, as you've already seen the title, that I am going to review my straightener which I am using from 6 months. Yes, so I always review a product which is already used by me. So let's get started. So today I am going to review this product. This is a straightener. So the name of the straightener is Unique Style Professional Series Straightener. So you all can see Unique Style. I found this straightener to be quite good, but a issue I found with this straightener is, see, I don't have a setting spray which I can apply on my hairs after I do the straightening. So I think that might be the reason why the straightening do not get there, like रहता नहीं है वो उतने समय तक. So after doing straightening, it मतलब वो straight रहता है just for 1 or 2 hours, not more than that. That is disappointing. That's the only problem I faced with this straightener. Otherwise the straightener is really good. This is really handy, and yes, you all can purchase this surely. The price, I don't remember the price. I will surely mention the price below. And yes, let's get started. I will show the demo. So now this is a black colored straightener, and pink color is also available in this straightener, but I like black lover, so I bought black. And now this is a 360 rotating knob in which you can do the straightening easily and just rotate for curling purpose. This is a straightener, but you can also do curls. That also I will show in this video. Okay, so now the other thing, this is a part, see, the distance of the straightener is very less. So yes, you have to hold this like this, press this and do that up. उसको ऊपर करना है. This button, you have to put that up and this will open like this. After using, when you have to restore it back, you have to just hold this like this and put that button down. And yes, see. So now this is the function. Now there are 3 buttons, you all can see. So this one is the power button, this is the minus button, and this is the plus button. You can adjust the temperature, and the temperature will be visible here. Here the temperature is visible properly. So, and also you all can see there is a steel plating inside which is smooth. And yes, let me show you the demo, of course. So you all can hold like this. Do not hold like this or not this. Do not touch this part because this is hot, or also this part because this is also hot. एक बार झटका लगा है मुझे, इसीलिए आपको बता दे रही हूँ. But sometimes you need to hold this part, so do like this and just थोड़ा बहुत लगेगा गरम, सहना पड़ेगा. अब आपको सुंदर बाल चाहिए, इतना तो सहना ही पड़ेगा ना. So now let me show you the demo. You have to section your hair like this, and you have to rotate the hair, twist the hair like this, and you have to put the hair back so that to avoid messing up with your hairs. And also you have to put this hair partition also. तुमको वही वाला section लेना है which you want to straighten, like this. The section properly so that there are no knots present. And now you have to apply the serum. Yes, this thing you have to have in this section. If you are not having a heat protecting gel or a spray, so you have to have a serum. कितना चमक रहा है मेरा बाल, wow. So now this is the first part, and then you have to plug in the straightener, of course. Connect that with power supply and then turn it on. You can see this is red because the temperature mentioned in this is 52, and till the time this is not green, you have not reached the desired temperature. You can adjust the temperature like this. See, this is showing temperature like 120. This is visible, I think. This is showing temperature like 120, 150. So yes, I want the desired temperature to be 230. The 230 is the maximum temperature, and I want so till the time this red compartment becomes green, you haven't reached your desired temperature. So wait till you reach your desired temperature, and there will be a chir type of sound. Do not get worried about that. That is because the plates are getting heated up, and this part is also getting heated up. Do not touch the inside plate or else तुमको झटका लगेगा. So yes, let's wait till the section. Yes, you can see the section is green now. So now you have reached the desired temperature and you can start doing your straightening. So there are two processes. The one I follow is the second one. This is the first process where you have to put the comb and do the straightening side by side. This process I don't like because I mess up with the comb, straightener and hairs. So I don't like this process. The one I follow is just hold this with your hand and do the straightening. You don't have to stick the straightener with your head or else झटका लग जाएगा आपको पूरा वाला. And just hold this tightly. Hold this part and just press that tightly and hold every section for like 1 or 2 seconds. See, धुआं निकल रहा है. Do not get worried about the धुआं. You have just kept the temperature highest, so थोड़ा बहुत धुआं आएगा. Do not get worried up. But इतना देर भी मत रखना कि आपका बाल जल जाए, obviously. So that you can see the hairs are straight. If you want the hairs to be bent inside, you can just do like this and hold that for a few seconds and see the hairs are bent inside. If you want the hairs to be bent outside towards the out, you have to do like this, and now see the hairs are outwards. So I want that outwards so that it's looking like this. Yes, now I will show you how to do curls with this straightener. Now this part is over, so I will put that in clips. So see, this hair was curled and now this is looking so good. I like straight hairs. See, now glossy lag raha hai, kitna mast lag raha hai. Now this part is also over. See, this part is not done properly. After you have done completed whole of the part, you can always do a second time for touch up. Now I am going to show how to do curls with this hair. Yes. So what you have to do is just take a section, okay, hold that, comb once to avoid knots, and there are different type of curls. You can discover all of them. First I'm going to just pull a string out of this and then just do like this. You have to hold this part, of course, to do the curling purpose, and just do like this. Put that section and you have to then pull. After turning 360 degree once, you have to pull. You can see the curls. Now I will show you one more like this. जहाँ से तुमको कर्ल चाहिए वहाँ पे स्ट्रेटनर रखना. If you want curls from here, keep the straightener here. If you want curls from here, just में थोड़ा distance में रखना अपने कान से, वरना जला दोगे कर्ल्स के चक्कर में. So you just rotate that like this. Put the extra section out and then मैंने बोला ना झटका लगेगा. See, this is so good, but I don't like curly hairs, of course. I like straight hairs. So in this way you can do straight as well as curls. तो आपको समझ गया होगा. ये अच्छा है, बुरा नहीं है उतना. And after doing everything, you can apply the serum once again to maintain the shine and to make this curls and straightening stay, and then your hairs sorry, your hairs are looking gorgeous to go rock the party. Rock the party. Yes, that's it for this video, guys. Do not mind. That's it for the video, guys. Hope you like this video. Hope I provided you with the right. मैंने बंद ही नहीं किया ना, सो बंद करते समय इसको फिर से दबा देना, वो बंद हो जाएगा. एंड लेट दैट रेस्ट फॉर few minutes to get cooled up and then put that inside. So that's it for the video, guys. Hope I shared a right information and techniques to do. I'm not a professional straightening artist, so I can do professional straightening, but yes, I tried way out I do while straightening, ways I do while straightening. So yes, that's it for this video. Thanks for watching. To like, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel, and comment down below if you want more reviews and a specific product review or anything.